Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we'll show you how to use AI ChatGPT for blogging, SEO, and affiliate marketing. Let's dive in. Blogging lets you share ideas and knowledge. But how can you stand out? SEO is the key. It helps your blog rank higher on search engines. So why use ChatGPT? It saves time and boosts creativity. You can generate ideas, outline posts, and write efficiently. Let's break it down into clear steps. Choose a niche you like, research related keywords, and use tools like Google Keyword Planner for insights. Next, brainstorm blog post ideas with ChatGPT. ChatGPT will provide you with a list of engaging topics. Let ChatGPT help draft an outline to structure your content. Now, let's write your post. ChatGPT generates clear and engaging sections for you. Don't forget to incorporate your keywords naturally throughout the content. Once you have your post ready, it's time for SEO optimization. Use tools like Yoast SEO to optimize titles, meta descriptions, and images. Choose relevant affiliate products and write honest, value-driven reviews. ChatGPT can help you craft compelling affiliate content. For fitness niches, promote workout gear and use persuasive language to drive clicks. Share links within your blog post strategically. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll succeed. In summary, leverage the power of ChatGPT. It revolutionizes how you blog. Follow these steps to create a sustainable income stream. Start your journey now with ChatGPT. In the next video we will discuss about faceless YouTube and AMP, social media automation. Stay connected with us. Thank you.